Good morning, guys. We got another beautiful fall day. Middle of November now. Today we have a firing swell. Offshore wind, south swell. It's gonna be an awesome day. Wow, look at this wave. Holy shit. Let's get after it.
Funny you come back to me, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I can't ignore. Yeah. I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. You can't surprise a Gemini. I'm everywhere, I'm cross-sighted. Now that you're back, I can decide. If I decide if you're invited. You always knew the way to wow me. Fuck around, get tongue-tied. I turn it on, I make it rowdy. Then carry on, but I'm not hiding. You grabbing me hard, cause you know what you found is biscuits, it's gravy bag.
Basically, only get better with reps. Oh, nice. He's in. And he's out.
Wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. What you do? Made a move, could've made a move. If I knew, I'd
Hurricane Nicole. First session was sick.
I bite my tongue, it's a bad habit.
Next one, look at this thing.
Kinda mad that I didn't take a stab at it. Thought you were too good for me, my dear. Never gave me time of day, my dear. It's okay, things
Back to
happen
back to
for
back.